In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can access your data folder on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. To access your data folder on Android, the first thing that you can try to do is go to your search bar of your phone and type My Files, and just search for My Files and tap on it. And then you want to scroll down, and then you want to tap onto internal storage, and usually you're looking for and then once you're in the internal storage, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right, go to settings, and then turn on show hidden system files, and then go back. And it seems that they've done an update where you cannot see where your Android folder is. Check in the settings. So what you can actually do is go to the Play Store, and then once you're on the Play Store, search for this app called Files. And you want to scroll down and put in the word Mark at the end of that. And you want to download this app right here, Files. You can see it's verified, and it's just going to install here real quick. Then you can open up that folder, and right now you'll see the Android folder there. You can tap onto the Android folder, and then you can tap onto data, and this will give you all your data files. Okay, so that's what you need to do. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.